see how much fitted sheet we still have left under our mattress and our mattress pad right here. And having that 360 elastic is really nice to keep everything properly in place. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Bear Home Ultra Soft sheet set featuring 1800 premium microfiber. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the nice retail packaging right here. This is a king size sheet set with the color gray, but they have over 40 different color options available to fit your style and preferences, and they have multiple mattress sizes supported from twin all the way up to California King and beyond. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have a nice customer service and contact card from the Bear Home team with their phone number and email address, and a message from Josh, the CEO and founder. Next, you can see we have our two identical pillowcases, followed by one fitted sheet featuring 360-degree elastic, and this is good for mattresses up to 15 inches in thickness. Then you can see we have our one flat sheet as well. Now let's go ahead, let's get these on our bed. So first up, you can see we have the fitted sheet on our 12-inch king memory foam mattress, and underneath the fitted sheet, we actually have our Bear Home pillow top mattress pad as well. So this fitted sheet's good for a mattress 15 inches or less. So for us, 12 inches plus our mattress pad fits great, and we still have plenty of room. So check it out. You can see how much fitted sheet we still have left under our mattress and our mattress pad right here. And having that 360 elastic is really nice to keep everything properly in place. So now you can see what the flat sheet looks like. We have it fully spread out and untucked so you can get a feel for the actual size and length of this flat sheet. So check it out at the foot section right here, all the extra that we have left. Now let's go ahead, let's look at it from the side. So now you can see it from the side right here to get a feel for the length. We tried to match it up on both sides evenly, so we have plenty of room to tuck it in on both sides and at the feet. So we got the flat sheet tucked in. Now we're looking at the pillowcases. So to my left, we have a 20 by 28 inch pillow stuffed in our king size pillowcase. So you can see all the extra still hanging off the bed. But then you can see one of the king pillowcases laid completely out. Should fit your standard 20 by 36 pillows. No problem. Looks like for us it's time to upgrade and swap out those queen pillows to get some king pillows. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.